Welcome to method number 2, getting backlinks from guest posting, from this huge series that I'm doing of 101 link building strategies. I'm Ron Whitehead, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get backlinks to your website from top blogs using the guest posting link building method. If you want to access all of the link building strategies that I cover in this series, there's a link below in the description that will take you to a YouTube playlist with all of the videos. So there's 4 steps to getting backlinks using this method. First, we need to find guest posting opportunities. Second, we need to reach out to the website. Third, we need to write our post and include an author bio plus a link to our website. And last, we need to send it to them and get our link to our website. So let's get started with step 1, finding opportunities for guest posting. Blogs and websites are constantly looking for good new content for their websites. We just need to find out who's looking for it. And there's a few methods that we can use to find websites that are looking for guest posts that are in our niche. First, we can search Google using a few different search strings. And here's a few that I use. Keyword plus in URL, guest post in quotes. Keyword plus in title, guest post. Keyword in title, write for us. Keyword write for us. Many years ago I used to train dogs, so let's do an example and see what guest posting opportunities that we can find in the dog niche. So if I just copy and paste one of these search strings and replace keyword with dog, we'll then see a lot of opportunities here. So here we see a lot of websites that are industry specific to the dog niche that are actively out there looking for people to help them with guest posts. But there's also a few other good ways to find opportunities that are not so obvious. Some sites may accept guest posts, but maybe they're not actively out there advertising that they do. One good way that I found to find these hidden gems is to find someone in your niche that is actively doing guest posts and then see where they've done them. To do this, we can use 2 different methods. So here I found a guest post from Neil Patel, and if we scroll down to his author bio at the bottom here, we're going to find 2 things. We're going to find that he has a quick little snip about himself here. So what I'm going to do first is copy just this first part and then go to Google and paste it in and put quotes around it and search. And here we can see we have 3,180 results, and all of these sites have a Neil Patel profile. So there's a good chance that a lot of these are sites that he has done guest posting on. And I definitely see a lot here. We got Mashable, Search Engine Journal, Growth Hacker TV, Moz, Copy Blogger. So a lot of these are going to be sites that accept guest posting. So that's a good way to do it. Another good way to do it is we go back to the post here. We save this image. And then we go back to Google, and up here we click on images. Then we click on the little camera here because we want to search by image. Upload it. And now Google is going to show us a lot of web pages that have this exact image on it, or something similar it looks like. But again, this is a really good way to find out where his author bio might be, what sites. And if his author bio is on sites that he doesn't own, it's more than likely that he has done a guest post for them. So that's another really good way to find some opportunities in your niche that are accepting guest posts. So after we've gone through and found some sites that we feel would be a good fit and that we'd like to contribute to, we need to reach out to the site and ask if they would be interested in working with us on it. Most of the time you're going to get a better response if you let them know the topic or maybe even the title of the post that you have in mind. So here's an example of something that I might send to a website to see if they would be interested in letting me do a guest post on their site. You want to make sure that the email that you're sending is personalized. You want to introduce yourself. You want to say that you like their website and that you have an idea of something that you can contribute to the site. Here I've put that you can put idea number 1, idea number 2, idea number 3. If you do have a really good idea or you're stuck on one idea that you really want to get out there, you could just do one, but you might have a better chance if you offer them multiple ideas that they can pick from, because maybe they won't like the first one that you've put out there for them. So that's another good tip to make sure that they're going to be interested in something that you've put out there. And then also I put at the bottom here, to give you an idea of the quality that I'll bring to your site, here's a link to the guest post that I recently published on another website. Now, if you're new to this and you don't have something, you might want to link them to a post on your own site, because they're definitely going to want to see the quality of the post that you're going to write for their site before they're going to agree to let you put something on there. So if they respond positively and give you the go-ahead to do the post, you first want to write up a draft, or you could hire a freelancer to write it for you, and then you want to send it over to them as soon as possible. Make sure to include the link to where you want it to go on your website. You can usually get away with one link in the body of the post and one link in the author bio box. So after that, all we have to do is wait for the post to go live. And once the post is live on a site, you definitely want to keep an eye on the post and reply to anyone that may post a comment in on that website, so you can keep that post active. And the more active it is in Google's eyes, the stronger that backlink to your site's going to be. So that's about it for this link building method. It can take a little work for you to find a good site that fits into your niche, that's going to accept a guest post from you. And it does take some effort to write a really good blog post that they're going to be using. But these can be really powerful backlinks since they're so specific to your niche. So it's definitely worth the time and the effort that it can take to get these backlinks. So I would definitely recommend getting as many backlinks as you can using the guest post link building method. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also hit the bell icon if you want to be notified as I release new videos in this series. If you want to learn more link building strategies, again, there's a link in the description below that'll take you to the YouTube playlist where you can view all of the link building videos in this series. Another cool tip is that you can create your own YouTube playlist and save your favorite techniques to it, so you can go back and reference it as you're building backlinks to your website. I'm Ron Whitehead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next link building strategy.